Hello Rashi.
Hello sir.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm doing good. So may I ask some questions?
Yes sir.
Okay. What o'clock do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
Okay. Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
Which is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is pasta.
Okay. At what o'clock do you sleep?
I sleep at sometime 11 o'clock and 10 o'clock.
Okay. Which is your favorite social media app?
My favorite social media app is YouTube and WhatsApp.
Okay. Well, so are you a good girl?
Yes, I'm good girl.
Are you an active girl?
Yes, I'm active girl.
Are you lazy girl?
Sometime I'm lazy.
Are you beautiful?
Yes, I'm beautiful.
Okay. Oh, that's really. What do you want to become?
I want to become engineer.
Okay. What's your dream?
My dream when I get a job, so I want to go Korea.
You want to go to Korea? Wow. Okay. What's your father?
My father is a motor mechanic.
What's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Okay. Do you have sister?
Yes, I have a two sisters.
What's her name?
My first younger sister name is Akshara Vagadre. She is a study in class 4th, and my second younger sister name is Yashika Vagadre. She is a 2 years old.
Okay. Which school do you study?
I am studying Little Sam Public School.
Which class?
I am studying 7th class.
Are you good in study? Are you good at study?
Yes.
Okay. How many percentage you score?
Last time in a pre-board I score 85%.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is a badminton.
Okay. So do you play every day?
No, when I free and in a evening, that time I play with my sister.
You play with your sister. Okay. Well. Okay. So which is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer season.
Okay. Why do you like summer?
Because in summer we join swimming classes and eat ice cream, drink cold drinks. That's why I like this season.
That's why you like. Okay. You don't like winter?
No, I don't like winter.
Okay. Well. So tell me, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Science. Okay. Which is your favorite topic in science?
My favorite topic in science is nutrition in plant.
Good. Okay. Who is your favorite teacher in school?
Shivani ma'am is my favorite teacher in
Which
my
subject does she teach?
She teach me science subject.
Science subject. That's why you like science. Okay. At what o'clock do you wake up every day?
I wake up every day 7 o'clock.
What o'clock do you sleep?
I sleep 10 and 11 o'clock.
Okay. What do you want to become?
I want to become engineer.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing and dancing.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
Okay. Well. Okay. Which is your favorite song?
I like all the songs.
You like all the songs. Okay. You like Korean dance?
Yes,
Do you
I
like
like
Korean
Korean dance.
Okay. Which is your favorite Korean song?
But that song is my favorite.
Okay. Okay. Have a good day. Nice talking to you.
Same.